All right, this is review 7.1 to 7.3, page 4, problem number 7. Triangle ABC and DEF are similar. Find the lengths of AB and EF. All right, so again, I'm going to go left triangle, left side to the bottom. So 5x over 4 is going to equal 5 over x. Cross multiply gives me 5x squared is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 5. So I'm left with x squared is equal to 4. And so now I have to take the square root of that to find my answer. So I take the square root of both sides. So I would get x is equal to plus or minus 2. I go plug 2 back in to the original equation. So AB then is going to equal 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. And EF is equal to x, which is 2. So your answer is going to be 2. So 10 and 2. And if you take a look at that, AB is not 2. AB is 10, and EF is 2. So B. You want to draw an enlargement of a diagram of a design on a 4x5 card. So 4 over 5. And it's got to be 8.5 by 11. What are the dimensions of the largest complete enlargement you can make? So you got to do these one at a time. So 4 over 5 is going to equal 8.5 over x, because you're looking for the bottom here. So cross multiply, this will give you 4x is going to equal 42.5. Divide both sides by 4, and you get x is equal to 10.625. Again, use those same numbers. 4/5 is equal to, in this case, you want y over 11. And cross multiply, and so that's going to give you 44. It's going to equal 5y, and y then is going to equal 8.8. So D would be the largest you can make. Number 9, scale a rectangle that has a length 9 inches and a width of 17 inches by the scale factor of 6. So I can do both of these at the same time. So 9/17 and a scale factor of 6, which is 6 over 6. Cross multiply, give me 54 over 102. So A. Problem number 10. Find the scale factor you can apply to figure A. So I'm starting out at 12, and it's going to 3. So 12 divided by 4 is going to equal 3. So I'm dividing by 4, so that means my scale factor is 1 over 4 because I divided by 4. So D. 2 rectangles are scaled copies of each other. The ratio of the length of the scaled rectangle of the length is 1/5, and the scale factor is 10. So 1/5 times 10. This is on the bottom, this is on the top, which gives you 2, so the answer is 2. The length of the sides of if you don't understand that, then it's 10 over 1, if that helps you. And this is on the bottom, this is over top. The length of a rectangle over a scaled square is given. The scale factor is 3. So the scale length is 3, so 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. So B. And I think we have time for one more page. All right, problem number 13. These two are equal to each other, similar to each other. So angle B is the second letter. So what letter is coordinated with that? Angle E And if we take a look at the picture, you can see B and E. But again, go to this. This is more important than the picture. So E, so the answer is A. Complete each statement. Again, B, C, A, B, C, A, so E, F, D. I went 2, 3, 1, so I gotta go 2, 3, 1. E, F, D. E, F, D, C. And the scale of the map is 1 centimeter to 6 kilometers. If two cities are 13 centimeters apart on the map, what is the actual distance? So 1 is to 6 as 13 centimeters across from centimeters over X. Cross multiply 13 times 6 is 78. So 78 kilometers, so D.